Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I'm going to explain Auzmor from graduate software training role. Remote job only, engineering full time. They are mentioning freshers. They didn't mention the year of passing everything. So they are just asking about the skills which will be additional recommend that enable to successful in this role. Broken work experience and Ruby and Rail developer, self-motivated self-manager, and front-end technologies JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JS query. Some gap in oriented analyzing result, working in NoSQL database, BS/MS degree in computer science in engineering and related fields. So any year you can apply from BS/MS degree, Master in Science or Bachelor in Science. Training program on posting job recruitment. They are 1 month training required there from paid training. You don't worry, they are earning almost 15,000. Candidates must company to join training post test successfully before the assessing to the job. How will you go at Auzmor? They are providing the senior leadership on strength-based self-motivated. Our people and culture, Kerala, Gujarat, West Bengal, Kashmir to Kerala. So everywhere they are providing. The management and CEO all approaches will be welcomed. Fully work environment will be committed to atmosphere, drives and cabs, everything they approach. Interview process for every interview at Auzmor will be around assessment such as HR screening, online skill assessment, technical evaluation by external, culture and motivation forms. And next one will be they are providing job skills, key occasions. This all that they are providing. You just want to apply here only. Apply for this directly. You go to HR round. While lecturing itself, you can have an assessment. After finishing, direct entry all over India. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I'll provide the link in the description. Thanks for watching this channel.